Hello and welcome to Solo Rider channel. This is the Aprilia RS 125, the completely new 2021, just got released and I got it a couple of days ago. And as you can see, this is the GB replica that should look like the GB one. We had a couple of videos before for just the first impression and look of this bike. To be honest, it looks very amazing for me. Yeah, that's from almost everywhere of the bike. You can see it here, and I know that a lot of people was asking me to provide the sound of this vehicle, so we will do the sound check now. So the exhaust system, the stock one, you can see it's completely below here, and it looks quite small, but to be honest the sound is quite good for 125. It's not really bad. I hope the sound is quite good because this noise of the cars around, yeah, it's I tried to go for a quite far area here near to the airport where we have a stadium. Usually during the time of the corona it would be empty, but I think things have started to open now, so yeah, that's I would say it. Then let's jump to the sound of the motorbike. So let's turn on the motorbike and I show you the completely new digital screen. So yeah, and it is in neutral, so it should start. To the airport, sorry for that guys, so once it's up live away. So the steady RPM is 2, as you can see it here, sometimes 1.8, so yeah, it goes, so now I'm not touching the throttle at all and it goes between 2000 and 1800. It's still in the burn-in, so it's completely new. You can see now I did only 90 kilometers. Yeah, did 90 kilometers. And I didn't go high on the RPM. So wait for the new video for the complete review of the motorbike. Don't forget to like and subscribe for new videos about the new Aprilia RS 125 GB replica.